After you turn 60, something silent yet incredibly powerful starts happening inside your body. Your collagen supply drops, and it drops fast. By the time you're 65, you've likely lost over 30% of this vital protein. That's precisely why your knees might ache when you climb stairs, why your hands sometimes tingle for no reason, or why your legs just feel weaker than they used to. But here's the really good news: you can rebuild that lost collagen naturally. And I'm not talking about expensive powders or painful injections. I'm talking about simple, everyday vegetables, all backed by real science. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 8 collagen-rich vegetables, ranked from the least to the most powerful. Each one works in its own unique way to help restore your joints, strengthen your muscles, and protect your nerves, keeping you active and pain-free well past 60. Before we jump in, let us know in the comments below, are you feeling more stiffness in your legs, or is it your hands that are giving you trouble? We read and reply to every single comment because your journey to better health truly matters to us. Alright, let's get started with number 8. Coming in at number 8, we have red bell peppers. Now, you might not think of bell peppers as a healing food, but they are actually one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C. And vitamin C is the key nutrient your body absolutely needs to create collagen. See, after 60, the enzymes that make collagen slow down dramatically. Without enough vitamin C, that process pretty much grinds to a halt. Just half a cup of red bell peppers gives you more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. This helps your body weave new collagen fibers that cushion your joints, protect your blood vessels, and keep your skin firm. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition even showed that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had better hand strength, faster walking speeds, and lower levels of inflammation. Here's a quick tip: eat your bell peppers raw or just lightly sautéed. Cooking them for too long can destroy that precious vitamin C. They're perfect in salads, stir-fries, or just as a crunchy snack with some hummus. Next up, at number 7, is spinach. Soft, leafy, and incredibly powerful, spinach is like a guardian for your collagen. It's loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, and this vitamin actually activates the genes that tell your body to produce more collagen. Spinach is also packed with lutein and chlorophyll, two compounds that help detoxify your tissues and reduce chronic inflammation, which is the #1 enemy of collagen. Plus, spinach contains a good amount of magnesium, a mineral that most adults over 60 are deficient in. Magnesium is vital for muscle function, nerve health, and the very enzymes that build collagen. A 2018 study found that seniors who consumed more magnesium had better elasticity in their connective tissues and fewer nerve compression problems, like carpal tunnel and sciatica. A great tip is to add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothies or steam it lightly. A daily serving can help your legs feel lighter and your hands less stiff. Now, for number 6, okra. If your fingers ever feel like they lock up or your knees are particularly stiff in the morning, okra could be your secret weapon. Okra is rich in something called mucilage, which is a natural, gel-like fiber that acts like a lubricant for your joints. It actually mimics the synovial fluid that cushions your joints, helping your cartilage stay flexible and healthy. It also contains compounds like pectin and polyphenol that trigger collagen regeneration and help calm inflammation. In fact, a 2021 study showed that okra extract actually regenerated damaged cartilage and boosted collagen density in connective tissue. For the best results, steam or roast your okra lightly. Its nutrients, especially vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all work together to rebuild collagen and prevent calcium from settling in your joints where it doesn't belong. Cracking our top 5 is broccoli. When your knees pop or your fingers tingle, it's often a sign that your collagen structure is breaking down. Broccoli can help repair it. It's loaded with a natural compound called sulforaphane, which has been proven to protect the cells that produce collagen and even accelerate cartilage healing. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin C, calcium, and vitamin K, which work together as a team to build strong bones and maintain joint elasticity. It even supports your nerve health. The antioxidants in broccoli protect delicate nerve endings from oxidative stress, which can help reduce those nagging numbness and burning sensations. A simple tip is to steam your broccoli instead of boiling it. This helps preserve the sulforaphane. And for an extra collagen-boosting kick, add a little squeeze of lemon for more vitamin C. At number 4, we have beets. Do you ever experience cold, heavy legs or tingling feet? These can be signs of poor circulation. And poor circulation means poor collagen repair. This is where beets come in to fix the problem. They are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is amazing for improving blood flow and delivering more oxygen to your joints and muscles. A 2019 study found that older adults who drank beet juice daily had 21% better circulation in their lower limbs and even developed stronger leg muscles. Beets also contain a pigment called betaine, which protects collagen from oxidative stress and supports a faster recovery from inflammation. The best way to prepare them is to roast or steam them to keep their nutrients intact. Try combining them with citrus fruits like oranges to enhance the absorption of those beneficial nitrates. Now for our top 3. Coming in at number 3 is seaweed. It might look a little unusual, but seaweed is one of the most powerful collagen-restoring superfoods on the planet. It's packed with essential trace minerals like iodine, zinc, and manganese, which your body needs to activate its collagen-producing enzymes. Seaweed also contains a unique marine compound called fucoidan, which has been shown to stimulate collagen production and reduce tissue inflammation. On top of that, seaweed's natural omega-3s and iodine support your thyroid function, which is vital for keeping your metabolism and tissue repair processes running smoothly. A great way to incorporate it is to just sprinkle some dried seaweed over your soups or salads a few times a week. It can really help with cold hands, stiff knees, and muscle recovery. The runner-up, at number 2, is asparagus. This elegant green spear is a true collagen repair specialist. It's packed with glutathione, which is your body's master antioxidant. Glutathione's main job is to protect your existing collagen from being destroyed by oxidative stress. Asparagus also contains vitamin K, which helps guide calcium into your bones where it belongs, not into your joints. It's also a great source of folate, which supports DNA repair and the regeneration of new collagen. For the best benefits, lightly grill or steam your asparagus, and pair it with a little olive oil or a squeeze of lemon to maximize nutrient absorption. And finally, our number 1 collagen-restoring vegetable is parsley. That's right. It's time to rethink this humble herb. Parsley is the ultimate collagen restorer. Just a handful contains more vitamin C than an orange, plus it's loaded with vitamin K and a flavonoid called apigenin, which actively prevents collagen from breaking down. So, parsley doesn't just help your body build new collagen, it also protects the collagen you already have. This helps reduce inflammation in your joints and improves the elasticity in your skin, muscles, and tendons. The best way to use it is to chop it fresh and add it daily to your salads, soups, or smoothies. Even just a few tablespoons a day can make a visible difference in your strength, mobility, and even your skin. Tingling hands, weak legs, aching knees. These aren't just signs of getting older. They're your body's way of sending a message: I need more collagen. And now, you know exactly where to find it, in the vibrant, powerful vegetables growing right in nature's garden. From parsley and spinach to okra and seaweed, these 8 foods can help you rebuild your strength, restore your flexibility, and bring life back to your joints, one delicious bite at a time. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed tips on staying strong and vibrant after 60. And tell us in the comments below, what symptom are you hoping to fix first, the tingling in your hands or the weakness in your legs? We would love to hear your story. Thank you for watching.